Okay, welcome back, and now we're going to talk about finding the area of oblique triangles. So just like before, when we have a triangle, so let's just write out our generic triangle here, an oblique triangle. And we've got this here, right? Let's draw our altitude, h, right? So here's our right triangle. So notice, remember, the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, right? So in this case here, it's the area is 1/2 base times height. Now, in this case, what's the base? The base is c, and the height is h. Okay, but how do we get the base? Well, the base is c, so it's 1/2 c, but how do we get the height? Remember from before, we can get the height by using b, right? So we can use b, so it's opposite over hypotenuse. So if we know a, then we can get the height by just saying, hey, this is going to be b times the sine of a. And again, we can derive a similar formula depending on which angle we know and which sides we know. So we can get, if we're talking about b, right, if we know angle b and we know c, then it'd just be sine b over a, right? So it's sine b equals h over a, right? And so we could say h, or excuse me, not h, area equals 1/2, what? It'd be c times what? B sine, or not, a sine, excuse me, a sine b. Okay, and then similarly we can develop area equals 1/2 b AB sine c, right? And again, depending on how we orientate the triangle. So the area of an oblique triangles is the area of any triangle is 1/2 the product of the lengths of the two sides times the sine of their included angle. So that's what it comes down to. Okay, so if we know these two sides and b, right, then it's going to be 1/2 AC times the sine of b. Which is this one. If we know these two sides in the included angle A, then it's going to be 1/2 times BC sine A, which is this one. And if we know these two sides in this angle, then it's going to be 1/2 times BA times the sine of C, which is this one. Okay? And that's how you find the area of an oblique triangle. Now, note that, hey, what if A is a 90-degree angle? Then it just comes down to just the normal formula of 1/2 times base times height, because sine of 90 degrees, if A is a 90-degree angle, Sine of 90 degrees is just 1. And H and B become the same. Okay, as we saw before. All right. Have a great day.